Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pritha. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So guys, today I'm starting the vlog from the airport, and not Calcutta airport but Bombay airport. Me, my family and few of my family friends, we are going to Mauritius, and it's going to be a fun trip. So guys, let's go. And I'm quite distracted right now because everyone in the airport is just like looking. So let's start this vlog. Excited for the vacation. Mummy is looking like नींद में उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Guys, here's the rest of the crew. Shejyoti, Sampriti and Sanjana. Welcome to Mauritius. Everyone's tired. आवाज क्यों नहीं निकल रहा आपका? So pretty. Hey. So guys, this is the view in our hotel, and I love it because I'm a beach person. We've got everything from the breakfast straight away. She's a beach person and a mountain person. Both. Okay, both. Sorry. And you?
I'm a poor person.
Poor person. Okay, we can see quite. Guys, this is Shejyoti in my room, and apparently the girls' room. All the fun party will happen here at night. And this is the view of the beach. After a quick nap, we've got ready. And now today is a chill day in the resort. Guys, this is like their... What? Boki? Boki bo.
A French game.
You have to be aiming closer to the red ball. I've just come for a quick swim. Because if you're in a resort, you're on the beach, you have to be a water baby in her vacation mode.
Okay, the vlogger has changed. Madam is doing. She's having a good time here in the pool, chilling out. So it's just magical around here. Very vibrant, lively, good vibes.
Is living for the sunsets. So beautiful and so fast. Mummy saw something.
I know, look at that man, white t-shirt wala. How he was taking a picture of the wife, and he just went back and he was on the rocks. Pura. I don't know how he got saved. God, how much thank God for that. Pura beach में गया.
मेरे को लगा आप लेडी का बता रहे हो, जो और शौक हुए आप.
Freedom, बिजली खोल के freedom.
Mom got so scandalized.
To Mauritius.
I've changed into my second outfit and we're going for dinner. कैसे लाइन से खड़े हैं जैसे राशन का लाइन है कोई अपना अपना कप लेके. Get our dinner set up. It's so cute. Just on the beach.
Hello.
This is what we are eating. Chicken. How is it? Finish. Best. Main course is here, which is chicken. The fish.
Very nice.
The dessert is here. I've ordered chocolate explosion. She's ordered tiramisu, and she's just on a main course. There was something in the food. Guys, this is what sugar makes children do. It's the day 2. We are having breakfast here. You can see Papa's breakfast. Huh? Paratha and croissant combination. Nice. And the other people are here. And we're eating quickly because we have to go and start our day with sightseeing. Guys, we have come for souvenir shopping. And it's so cute and pretty.
So pretty.
Shopping. This is the local rum. Okay.
This one shot it.
Not 100.
The ship model factory.
So we are going to see how they're made.
This was models for the ship.
Oh, ये Pirates of the Caribbean जैसा ship है.
A piece of wood to a piece of art. Because this is something that you will find only in Mauritius. That is safe here. So we come to
This is the ship
instead of this.
Shamal uncle is taking.
This is
So pretty.
29.9.
It's ready? Thank you. What crater is this? What volcano?
Volcano crater. From there one is
10th. Yeah.
You see a lot of forests.
Which volcano is this name?
True self.
Guys, it's raining, but I've come for ice cream. Yum. There's a Durga Ma statue. There's a Shivji statue. We are here at Vale Adventure Park, where we can do zip lining, quad biking, all of that. Adventure. So guys, Dad and me are going to do quad biking here. Let's go.
Have problem like this, any problem, okay, take the distance 2 meters from this one. Don't use the phone when you drive.
What an adventure. To this waterfall now. So pretty, guys. These are the 23 colors formation that was formed because of volcanic eruption, right? Okay. My god, Spider-Man. Super fun, guys. मजा आ गया, मजा. Bhangra party in the car, in traffic. Back to our hotel. Changed in my next outfit, and now we have to go to a sundowner party in the hotel. When the drink does its job.
Hello, just pineapple juice.
Sure. For dinner at the new restaurant, which is Asian. Hello. This is my starter, which is Korean fried chicken. Dad is having soup. Mom's having salad. Sushi happening here. Having Thai green curry and rice. What are you having?
I'm having egg noodles for
Egg noodles. Phuket fried rice. The desserts here. I'm having melon and musk. Sago. And this is the banana split here. It's 6:30 in the morning today, and I've just woke up and I've come to the gym because we are eating since few days. Look at the view today. Well, this is the best workout view I've ever got. Quickly had a shower, changed, now going for breakfast, and then we have to leave for sightseeing, and today we are going to do the North tour.
This is a place we are going, the city, the capital Portus.
गलत आ रहे हो डोडो का क्या कर रहे हो? We've come for tea tasting at a tea factory here.
ये कैसे आप लोग चाय पीते हैं रोज़ जिसमें दूध शक्कर डालकर पीते हैं वो एक नॉर्मल चाय है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ का चाय में बहुत सारे बेनिफिट हैं. ये चाय आपको सिर्फ यही दिखेंगे.
Cheers.
Cheers. So now भी कैफे इज हॉट ये दे सकते हैं.
चलिए हिट कर सकते हैं.
दूसरे दिन नहीं, फर्स्ट.
Cold piece.
अब रात को अब जब हाँ पी सकते हैं. अब रात को आपने रख दिया फ्रीज में तो इसे निकाल कर नॉर्मल रख सकते हैं, इसे हीट नहीं करना.
So now we are buying some nice tea. It was yum and it has a lot of medicinal qualities. This is the city of Port Louis. and we've come here to see the fort. And मेरे को ये सब जगहों से थोड़ा डर लगता है क्योंकि I had weird experiences in Vietnam once I was back from my vacation. Like you can see, it used to be prison, it used to be place of line of defense because it's one of the highest point. This is where they used to stand and guard the city. मेरे को कैसा लग रहा है? Apart from the view, this fort is like that Dil Chahta Hai wala fort. Guys, would you dare to go inside this? You're looking like a Japanese tourist. So guys, we are at the waterfront. इधर बहुत सारे movies का shooting हुआ है. Basically, this place has like boutiques and cafes, but just look at it. How pretty this is. We are having coconut pani, coconut water. This is Mithun Chakrabarti, Mauritius ka. Nariyal pani wala.
Yummy.
Exactly.
Oh, so cute. They're wearing the same shirt and
The nariyal pani is quite different
father
here.
is wearing the same shirt.
घूमते घूमते we are in Carrefour. We're doing shopping. मम्मी अंडे का पैन खरीद रही है मॉरिशस से. Guys, this is reminding me of UK McDonald's. We are just back from our tour today, and I've got tanned, the Mauritius tan. So hopefully I don't get more because the sun is going down. We're going for the sunset basically. And I just want to say, एक चीज़ अच्छा है traveling with family, that you know you don't have to stress about documents. Papa is seeing the passport, Papa is the wallet, Papa is, all I do is need to chill. So that's fun. नहीं तो you know when you go on a solo with friends, you always like passport का है, पैसे का है. So I'm like chill, कुछ काम नहीं है मेरा. Sunset and it's beautiful.
I'm such a fantastic swimmer.
In your dreams.
Look, I can act that I can swim.
Guys, we are doing a race. Come on.
छोड़ मत देना.
मेरा गर्दन तोड़ दोगे आप.
मेरे को मत छोड़ देना. लास्ट टाइम की तरह ऐसे कर डुबा देगी बीच में, पता चलेगा. एक बार रेस में याद है, रेस जीतने के चक्कर में मेरे को डुबा कर आगे निकल गई पगली.
अब आप इधर से जा सकते हो. जाओ जाओ.
नहीं
बीच
नहीं नहीं, अब तो अयो.
अब बीच पानी खुद तैरो. Guys, mom does not know how to swim.
Yeah, I am.
Today is the Mauritian night. So in Mauritian, food is very close to Indian food. So you can see like tandoori chicken grill happening there. खत्म. बस यही होता है जेंजी प्रॉब्लम्स. लिरिक्स नहीं आता आगे का. To the breakfast. This is probably our last breakfast as we're leaving tomorrow early morning. But I'll miss this waffle. We are at Casella, which is going to be the highlight of the trip. This was the most awaited one I wanted to do.
You're right. Take shuttle bus, go directly on Point 13 to do the African safari.
Thank you. First, we're going for a safari. Casella! पूरे एनिमल भाग चुके हैं इस जंगल से अब.
Turtles to your right on your over there. We call them the Aldabra. So the Aldabra they come from the Seychelles. They weigh between 200 up to 300.
ऐसा काटेगा ना मजा आ जाएगा. Guys, that's ostrich egg. Oh, so cute. Zebras are cute and vegetarian. Look at this. You can do Segway here with the animals. Guys, that's a baby giraffe, 1 month old, and the mother's behind. My favorite animal is a giraffe. Yeah. मस्त पेड़ की छांव में सो रहे दोनों. पापा को देखो. Guys, we all are going for a roller coaster. लग रहा है जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. एडवेंचर वी आर गोइंग. वो ट्रेनिंग भी दे रहे हैं. अप ब्रेक डाउन. ओके. अब थोड़ा डर लग रहा है गाइस. इधर भी हालत टाइट है. कोई नहीं. डर में लिपस्टिक हो रहा है इधर. See you guys. Guys, roller coasters are my biggest fear. Guys, this is too much. Don't try this if you have height phobia. Bro, how was it? There was one turn.
Oh, it was so fun.
Can take a handle, take a...
Too good. How was the roller coaster?
One who was the scared the most, but she like loved it.
Record break করে দিয়েছিস break করে.
Okay, we roller coaster ride.
पूरा हल्ला कर दिया आप लोग. Guys, oh, this is the weirdest ride ever. Look what is happening with that one. Okay.
Good. Left.
Guys, look at them.
Left এটা ছেড়ে দাও.
They are giving instructions. Favorite ride, the merry-go-round. Walking back, and you can see how pretty this is. McDonald's for lunch, and just look at this. I came out and there's a full-blown rainbow, and you can see there's like a double rainbow here. After seeing tiger, everyone is sleeping.
I am awake.
I'm back in the hotel. I'm just rushing because today is the last sunset here before we leave tomorrow, and I don't want to miss that. The fun to sit here and watch the sunset and the waves. For dinner to Veda, which is the Indian restaurant. Murk dum popsicle khabe. So we have the starters here. My chicken is here. Mutton is here.
My nothing is here.
And mom's vegetarian Tex-Mex. Oh, wow, ये तो भेल ही लग रहा है. Guys, the food is here, main course. I'm eating butter chicken. Ushmi is eating khichdi. Wow. Karai chicken. Khaba kothay? Desserts are here. I'm having jalebi. And this is gulab jamun brulee. So it's 5:30 in the morning. Bittersweet memories because we are going back. We have a flight right now, and I don't want to go because beach. I can live here forever. Everyone is doing the last minute photo sessions here, and you can see how pretty the sky is looking. Badi jete hobe? These are our breakfast to go. So cutely they've packed it. Indigo भी आता है Mauritius. Wow,
Amazing.
एक और बार.
Magical. Amazing. I can come again.
Once more.
मार वो धोड़े तो के.
Now we're in the lanes of Bombay. Guys, from one beach to the other, Mauritius to Mumbai. So guys, on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. So cute. Oh yeah, and see the next vlog because Bombay, we're going to have a lit time. Lit Bengali ki bole? Oshadharun time.